What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Get Busy Drizzy, man. I'm back on another video. Today is CJ and Stunna Reese 4th of July car show, you know what I'm saying? Accelerated racing. Gonna go up there for a little bit, check out the cars, kick it with the guys, you know what I'm saying? I don't know if y'all can see, but I got my own fireworks show, man, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna go up here for a little bit, chill, you know what I'm saying? My family didn't want to come. Alexis didn't want to come, so I'm gonna come by myself, get some footage, go home, shoot fireworks, have a nice day, man. Fun day. 4th of July is like a regular day to me, you know what I'm saying? It ain't nothing special, but it ain't, you know what I'm saying? I just like to make my son happy, so as long as he happy with the fireworks, I'm good. He did want to go to the show, but he bad. That boy, he's something else. But, you know what I'm saying? I hope y'all like the footage from yesterday, Cincinnati. Cincinnati was a effing blast, man. I can't cuss. What? Cincinnati was so turned up, man. Shout out to y'all in Cincinnati, man. If you're watching this video from Cincinnati, man, drop a comment, man, and put the what should I say? What should I use? Put the fire emoji, cause y'all was lit. But besides Cincinnati, if y'all watched that video, Naptown went crazy. Shout out to everybody in Naptown, man. If you're from Naptown watching my video, drop that nap in there, man. Put that Naptown in there, man. I'll be back with y'all when I get to the show.
I would like to introduce
Hey, Birdie.
Gotta get this. Holla here. I gotta get you one time, man. Oh, you out here? All right, bro. My boy right here, man. Make sure y'all go subscribe to his channel.
Hey man, what's going on? It's your boy Pimpin' TV, man. Never dropping a dime, always picking him up. Mr. P.I.M.P. goddamn self, Pip, Chris Louis Vuitton, Jenkins the third, man. Make sure y'all sub. Forget about me. This ain't about the pimp, man. But if you want to sub, hit that bell. But this is about my man Drizzy that gets busy on the
Hey, you hear
motherfucking
me,
bench,
though?
man. He right there. That clap, hey, 1,000 is right there. We ain't worried about the watch time minutes, bro. The man already got videos doing numbers. The man already got content. He got fans. He got followers. We need that red button, not just hit. We need that motherfucking karate hit.
You hear me?
Goddamn, the damn sub, scrub, subscribe, square. Y'all know what I said at the end of Stunna Reese shit. Do that for my man. Get busy, Drizzy, okay? Cause Drizzy gets busy.
Better
You
know
need
it,
to
man.
fuck with him and get with him now before the price go up. The rims is in storage, the car about to get painted. You don't want to miss out on this epic shit, man. Hey, don't play yourself, man. Treat yourself, man. Real shit. Get busy, Drizzy. The pimp fuck with him, so should you. Gang.
Yeah. It's my brother right here, man, y'all. Make sure y'all subscribe to his channel too, man. For real.
Fuck wrong with you? Who you talking to? Pussy ass niggas.
I never do too well with death, see I can never manage. Always ran away from pain, cause baby that do damage. All these mixed emotions in me, they don't understand it. If you love me, then just show me, don't wanna hear you saying it. I hope you get up on your feet and you can't stand that. And you always send me in them bleachers, I can't stand that. When you ain't had nowhere to go, where you was staying at. But that's okay, I'm finna blow, you better stand back. And I'ma just boss up, that's gonna be my revenge. She hate me now, cause all that love I had is past tense. You only bleed me when I'm lying, that don't make half sense. Think I don't love her, but when I discovered her, she ain't had shit. And you did way too much complaining, instead of fixing all them problems that could've saved shit. Since back in 17, been saying the same shit. And I ain't with that lame shit. I hope you get up on your feet and you can't stand that. And you always send me in them bleachers, I can't stand that. Been adding up all the like losses, that shit did wrong. In every fucking situation, it left me alone. How the fuck you hurt me? I had love for y'all. That way different with me, don't know what's up with y'all. Keep my ratchet on me, don't know what's up with y'all. If you wanna know the truth, I never trusted y'all. Gotta fix some shit myself and stop complaining. Gotta cut a couple hoes just to lame us. Cause all them bitches wanna do is talk and act. And all I really wanna do is fuck, duck, and blast. This DVF where I'm just peeling off up on her ass. Seem like y'all getting all by pillow talking to her ass. Y'all better stop that, then drop that like a hot potato. Your bitch claiming she got that bomb, I'm tryna detonate her. I probably beat that shit right now and pass up on it later. Cause I don't like no leftovers unless it's leftover paper. Them niggas wanna see you down, but I'm up as hell. They only wanna see me frown like I can't smile as well. I hang around a bunch of G's, but I swear all is well. And it ain't always about no money, I don't take all these sales. I heavily exercise my right not to fuck with niggas. Put a heavy roll up on them dice, so I can't trust a nigga.
You got a channel? Shout your channel out.
Man, make sure y'all subscribe, man. Life with Jeezy, man. All the way from Cincinnati, man. I ain't like no car. I ain't got no car, but man, I do life stuff. I'm a real dad, bro. I'm a real man. I'm a postman. I'm your favorite mailman's favorite mailman. Hey. So make sure you shut it up.
Come out on the skates like this.
Yeah. With the power and shoot the shit. Yeah.
Look, Daredevil. Boy, you. Oh shit. That nigga there crazy. stand up underneath it, it remind you of Michael Jackson, his hair caught on fire and shit. When you stand up underneath it, it remind you of Michael Jackson, his hair caught on fire and shit.
What is up, gang? I'm back. Yesterday was epic, man. I wasn't able to close my video out because my battery died. But we definitely had fun shooting fireworks, man. But like, share, comment, subscribe, click the post notification buttons, man. Make sure y'all subscribe. I'm on the road to 1K, man, and monetization. The car show was decent. What else? Fireworks show. JC, I was happy. So hey, that ended the video. Be right back.